Hello, my name is Dana and welcome to today's lesson where we will talk about the bill items. Bill item is the type of the item that is most commonly used to capture utility costs such as electricity, phone bills, advertising, etc. By going to Inventory, Products and Services, clicking on Add New button, in the drop-down menu you will find a bill item. Here, it is important to record the SKU or the stock keeping unit, where every bill item will have its unique SKU, the description, unit of measure, and it is important to mention that you must connect your bill item to the expense account. In the drop-down menu, you can find some previously defined expense accounts, but if you want something else to enter, you can click on Add New button. Right now, I'll select utilities, this one we'll call electricity, and on the bill item level you can record the text category, product category, trademark, search scope, and storage location. When I save this bill item and close it, here, so in my inventory, this is how the bill item will look like. There is no option to have on-hand quantity because bill item does not have stock. So the only way how we can record this one is by going to purchasing module and purchase order. So we can purchase the bill item. Now I will click on the create button, where in the item section I will select my utility bill. In the supplier section we do not have anything because it's an empty test base. I will click on quick add supplier electricity. Okay, so quick add. Now we have a new supplier. Purchase price will be here 250, and I will save this. So again, on the right side of the screen there is no button receive because we are not receiving any stock, any quantity to our stock. The only way is of course to use, based on your workflow, the modules on the right side, advance payment, but when I click on the supplier invoice, random number, supplier invoice, this is basically invoiced, unpaid, and you can always record the payment on the needed. Okay, record the payment here, and this is it. So to the supplier you can always see what has happened, and the other way how you wish to check and record the utility bills is by going to purchasing and utility bills, where you can create, of course, for the needed supplier, electricity. So you can use and record both ways. Here it's slightly different. It's good where you can see the difference and have options by clicking post the document. In the utility bill section is basically utility bill can be sent and printed, utility bill, so you can send to your supplier utility bill as a proof. Let me record the payment. And last but not least, since we have recorded our utility bill, if you wish to have the reports and pull out the needed reports for the needed date and time, by going to purchasing module, purchases report, here is where everything that you have purchased will appear. Right now this item does appear. Here is a purchase order and the period of time. By default it will always be the first one, the purchase order, but if you wish to specifically select utility bill, simply click on the drop-down menu. Here is our utility bill, and this way you will be able to pull the needed information. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned with the following ones.